the 2024 Mercedes-Benz GLA 250, courtesy of Mercedes-Benz of Hagerstown in Hagerstown, Maryland. For more information on their inventory, please check out the link in the description box. The 2024 GLA features a refreshed design, including updated headlight and taillight housings, along with several interior enhancements. This SUV competes with models like the Volvo XC40 and BMW X1. In this video, we will be testing and reviewing everything about this vehicle, including acceleration, braking, steering feel, ride quality, sound system, and overall performance. Under the hood, it has a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine with a mild hybrid system, producing 221 horsepower at 5,500 RPM and 258 pound-feet of torque at 1,800 RPM. Paddle shifters are included, and we will be testing them shortly. Fuel economy is rated at 25 mpg in the city and 34 mpg on the highway for the front-wheel drive version, while the all-wheel drive model achieves 24 city and 32 highway mpg. Premium unleaded fuel is recommended. Driving modes include Comfort, Eco, Sport, Individual, and Off-Road, which adjusts settings such as shift points, throttle response, and steering sensitivity. Braking is handled by ventilated front discs and 11.6-inch solid rear discs. The suspension system consists of an independent four-link rear suspension and front and rear stabilizer bars. Visibility is excellent, ensuring no major blind spots. Now let's take a closer look at the exterior. The model we have today is finished in night black. The 2024 refresh includes a new front fascia and slightly revised headlight housings. Checking the VIN, we confirm this GLA is built and assembled in Germany. The front end features a horizontal aluminum trim grille as standard, while vertical black slats also come standard. If you opt for the AMG line package, $3,150, you get a diamond block front grille. Gloss black or aluminum trim accents the lower front fascia, and an illuminated star badge is available for $450. The LED headlights now come with revised housings and include an automatic feature, as well as standard automatic high beams. The Pinnacle trim adds active LED headlights that swivel based on steering angle, improving night visibility. Standard LED fog lights are positioned in the lower corners. Moving to the side profile, aluminum roof rails and rear privacy glass come standard. Chrome window trim and chrome accented door handles enhance the design. The body-colored, power-adjustable side mirrors include integrated LED turn signals and heating functionality. The AMG line package also adds gloss black trim to the side skirts. There are multiple wheel options: standard 18-inch twin 5-spoke alloys, available 19-inch AMG twin 5-spoke alloys with the AMG line package, and various 18, 19, and 20-inch optional designs. We chose this particular model due to its stylish wheel design. At the rear, the GLA features a clean look without a shark fin antenna, likely explaining the grid pattern on the rear window. A rear spoiler with an integrated brake light is standard, along with a rear window wiper. The LED taillights have been redesigned for 2024 with sleeker housings. The AMG line package adds a rear diffuser. Dual integrated exhaust outlets with chrome tips are positioned at the lower rear. Press the subscription bell as I bring more and beautiful vroom vibes. The standard rear liftgate is manual, but a power liftgate is available. Our model includes the power liftgate, which can be operated via the key fob, a button on the liftgate, or a button on the driver's side door. Cargo capacity is 19 cubic feet, expanding to 50.5 cubic feet with the 40-20-40 split folding rear seats. Standard features in the cargo area include a cargo cover, lighting, chrome-plated tie-down anchors, netted storage pockets, grocery bag hooks, and a 12-volt power outlet. Additional underfloor storage is also available. Rear passenger accommodations include standard rear ventilation, storage pockets, and dual USB charging ports. A 150-volt power outlet is optional, and our model includes it. Up front, the driver's seat is 8-way power adjustable with 4-way power lumbar support. Both driver and passenger seats have memory settings, which is a rare feature in this class. Standard MB-Tex upholstery can be upgraded to leather for $1,450. Heated front seats are a $500 option. The seats offer good comfort with vertical seams to reduce pressure points. The steering wheel is leather-wrapped, tilt and telescoping, with an optional heated feature, $450. The 10 and 2 grip areas are thick for a comfortable hold. For startup, the key features the Mercedes-Benz logo with lock, unlock, and liftgate buttons. The GLA uses a push-button start system. Pressing the button brings the 10.25-inch digital gauge cluster to life, which is standard across all trims. The cluster offers various display modes, including classic, sport, understated, navigation, and off-road. It provides information such as speed, fuel range, time, and outside temperature. Interior quality is well executed, with premium materials throughout. A panoramic roof is a $1,500 option, giving rear passengers their own sunroof. A universal garage door opener for up to 3 doors is included below the frameless rear-view mirror. A wireless phone charger and dual-zone climate control are standard. The ambient lighting system offers 64 color options. Trim options include aluminum, $175, and wood, $325. Standard trim is Mercedes-Benz star pattern, which extends to the doors and dashboard. The AMG line package upgrades this to an illuminated star trim. Storage is ample, with rubberized storage areas, cup holders, and a deep center console with USB ports. The sound system is impressive, delivering deep bass and rich audio. The car also plays a unique startup sound upon entry. When reversing, the standard rear-view camera provides a high-definition display. The Pinnacle trim adds a surround-view camera system for enhanced visibility. Overall, the 2024 Mercedes-Benz GLA 250 offers a refined, feature-packed experience with notable improvements over previous models. The 2024 Mercedes-Benz GLA 250 impresses with its refined design, advanced technology, and well-balanced performance. With a comfortable interior, efficient turbocharged engine, and a variety of premium features, it stands out in the luxury subcompact SUV segment. Whether you're looking for daily practicality or a stylish and fun-to-drive experience, the GLA 250 delivers. Press the subscription bell to subscribe to the channel for more in-depth car reviews and test drives. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload here on Vroom Vibes.